Hey, welcome back to part 2 of the unboxing of these Amazon packages, the mystery packages. You can see here what I paid, €14.23 for 11 packages. All of this came up just under 1 kilogram and it's $14.90 a kilogram. We've got 6 packages left. What do you think about what we've unboxed?
So I was really surprised how the first box came out to be jewelry. That was really surprising. I didn't think that would be for the first box. It's like this nice girly necklace. Do you think it's real gold?
I don't know. No, I don't. I think it'd be very expensive if it was real gold. I think it's brass or
Yes.
something that looks like gold. But we have to check for a hallmark, like a mark that tells you if it's gold or not.
Okay.
I was surprised there's been nothing for pets because we just got a dog. I was hoping there'd be something nice for pets.
But it's small packages, so.
Like a collar or
like that.
a name tag or something. Okay, 6 to go. Which one do you want to do first?
I was wondering what this symbol was, so I want to do this one. You want to do it?
No, you do it. I thought that might be the electronics thing. So yeah. If it is, it's good to know. I thought that was the battery thing that says.
Oh, it's batteries. Or
it's nail polish.
Gold nail polish. Look at that. I've just done my nails, so I don't need it really now. But this looks nice.
Okay. So would you use it?
I think so.
Okay. So we've got a couple of things that we could use so far.
Yes.
Gold jewelry, gold
nail polish.
Nail polish. Okay.
You do one now.
Yeah, sure. I'm going to do this one with the tag.
Yeah.
It's strange that there has been electronics. There's been the remote control, but I thought headphones, MP3 players, microphones, and we haven't had that yet.
No.
It's Sin Loon. Everyone wants Sin Loon, don't they, when they wake up? Yeah. So this is I shouldn't even open it. It's a splitter, so you can connect. This is really boring. Ethernet cable, the thing that brings the internet into your house. You can convert it into a USB somehow.
We don't need that.
We don't need that at all. We've got Wi-Fi, so not great. All right, your turn.
Okay, I'll do this one, the A1 thing on it. It's like a bit rattly.
Okay. Maybe jewelry or
maybe
pens. I always thought rattling could be.
Yeah. Is this like a geometry thing? What is this?
I have no idea.
What?
It's in German.
What is this? Is like a tool?
Plastic Linkal für Schulen. Something for school?
I don't know.
You have to take it to school and ask your maths teacher. Really weird stuff.
Like why would people order this? This is weird.
Circle ruler.
Oh, it's like, okay. Isn't this for advanced people or something?
Never seen one in my life. Do you know how to use it?
No.
No, me neither.
Never.
Okay. Back to you. How many have we got left? 3 or 4?
We've got 3 left. This one's really heavy.
Yeah? Is that a heavy one? Okay.
You try.
No, it's your turn.
It was just
Did you do the ruler?
Yeah.
I can't remember. Or whatever.
Okay.
I think we needed to get heavier ones to get the electronics. I think I've made a bad strategy.
It's like fishy stuff. It's like stickers or something. What is this? It's like wall stickers. It's wall stickers, a fish. We can put that in the boys' room.
Yeah, it's interesting. All this stuff was meant to go to Germany on the whole.
Really?
Yeah, it's written in German. It's Badewanne something for bathrooms. Yeah,
like when you're having a bath, the stickers on the wall or on the bath lid, or that's why it's fish and stuff. Useful, yeah.
Okay, 2 more. Last 2.
You do them.
Yeah? No, I'll do one, you do one. So this is a big one.
Okay.
It's rattling again.
A bit.
I wish I'd got heavier ones.
Yeah.
If I might go back and get some heavier ones. Oh, not memory cards again, seriously. Old school memory cards.
Is it?
No, it's
Oh, it's bigger.
lipstick.
Maybe. It's like
Everyday
skincare.
essential oil roll-on. Energy booster for under your eyes, I think. Hold on. Oh, gently roll onto muscles for improved blood flow. Inhale fresh aroma for a mental boost. You want to try it?
Okay.
Yeah, let's go for it.
Is it for bigger kids or something? From what age is that?
Oh, you know what's really bad? It's been opened already.
Has it?
Yeah, look,
Oh.
twist to open. It's like been opened and someone's returned it.
No, I wouldn't use that. No.
Okay, bit disappointing.
Mm.
Roll on.
But so they had to put it in a new bag then, because this wasn't ripped.
Yeah, strange.
Yeah.
Maybe they thought they could resell it. Right, last
Okay,
one.
last one.
It's for you.
Okay. Rip it.
Drum roll. More bath stickers. More bath stickers.
No, it's like an inflatable cake. It's something. Let's make some memories together. Yeah, it's a balloon. It's
a big balloon.
Yeah, cake balloon or something.
A lot of this stuff to me seems really old-fashioned.
Yes.
And I can see the email on the back of this. Let's party 1997. So it's like this has been hanging around in a warehouse.
Yeah, and they just wanted to get rid of it.
Yeah. Guys, that's the end of the video. Thanks for joining us for this unboxing. Like and subscribe for more videos about bikes, actually, not about this stuff, but you can see junk, yeah. But I hope that's been useful. If you've done an Amazon unboxing, give us a comment below. Tell us what you found. Thanks. Bye.
Bye.